Meditation is not an exercise of the body. Meditation is not a physical exercise, but rather, meditation is an exercise of the mind. Meditation is a mental exercise. Hello, you're welcome to this podcast. This is Excellent Health Lifestyle Podcast. If you're here, it means you are seeking for information to help you establish the right habits, the healthy lifestyle that will help you reverse the chronic pathology if you're already living with them, or prevent those chronic diseases by adopting an excellent lifestyle that will help you to have an excellent life and an overall well-being. You're welcome. In today's podcast, we are going to be talking about meditation and the impact that meditation can have in helping you restore your health and live a healthy life. For you to be able to understand the word meditation, I have to break down the three dimension of man. Man is a spirit, he has a soul, and he lives in a body. I'll take it again. Man, he is a spirit, he has a soul, and he lives in a body. As someone once said, man is not a physical being trying to have a spiritual experience. Rather, he is a spiritual being having a physical experience. Because there are a lot of indicators, even science have proven it today, that man is a spiritual entity. The WHO define health today as the complete physical and mental well-being, and not just the absence of infirmities. They have understood that there is a dimension of sickness that cannot be seen visibly, that cannot be touched, or that cannot be examined physically, but that have an impact on the man's health. They understood that there's a dimension of health, there's a dimension of sickness that cannot be seen, that cannot be visible, but which is real. That is where we have the psychology. That's where the psychologists are trying to help, but it's not, to an extent, it cannot be effective without the understanding of the three dimension of man. So when we talk about meditation, it's an exercise of the soul. What do you have in the soul? In your soul, you have your mind, your intelligence, and your emotions. Those three entities reside in your soul. That's the reason the pictures you have in your head, you can't say they're coming from your brain. No, they're not coming from your brain, because your mind is for your soul what your brain is for your body. Because the understanding of the mind's entity is going to help you understand the exercise of meditation. Now, you ask me, what is meditation? What is the process, or what is the concept of meditation? Meditation is an exercise whereby you decide to take out a time to focus your mind on a truth, or to focus your mind on a reality that you want to see materialize in your life. I'm going to take it again. Meditation is a time that you take out to focus your mind on a truth or a reality you want to see materialize in your life. Is another way, or some other people call it the process of visualization. This visualization is actually a process, it's actually a stage of meditation. During meditation, you focus your mind on concept, on an idea. So it's very important that during your meditation, you focus your mind on a reality, on a truth that is real, so that you're going to synchronize it with your inner person, or your inner man, your soulic man, to see it materialize in the physical life. You can apply it in the area of finance, you can apply in the area of business, and you can also apply it in the area of your health. So today I'm talking to you how you can apply meditation for your health, to restore your health. The Bible says in the book of 3 John, verse 2, because it's just one chapter, "Beloved, I wish above all things that you be in health and prosper, even as your soul prosper." That's the wish of God for you. That's the truth of God concerning you. So when you want to meditate concerning your health, for example, you take that scripture and you focus your mind on it. You keep repeating it. You can repeat it for a couple of minutes, 5, 10, 15 minutes, and focus or stage your mind on that truth. Stage your mind on that reality. And you start asking yourself the question, what does this scripture mean to me? How does that refer to me? How does that apply to me? That process of thinking, focusing your mind, creating thoughts towards that truth and that verity is going to create an internal image of you being healthy. Picturing that image of you being healthy is actually meditation. And doing that repetitively for 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, a year is ultimately going to create that reality in your life. That's how you can bring out to the physical realm a truth and a reality that is going to resonate with what you want. That is meditation. You can meditate on your health, no matter the situation, no matter the disease you are living with. It can be diabetes, high blood pressure, it can be cancer. You can create an image of you living free from those diseases, and you can do that consistently to actually materialize this image in your life. That is meditation. These are an exercise that have been proven to work in very many instances. There are a lot of testimonies around the world of people that have been meditating over the centuries, and they are bringing forth these realities. In the field of lifestyle medicine, for example, we recognize this meditation as one of the techniques to manage stress. But I'm going to tell you that it goes beyond managing stress. It helps to design the life you want. It helps to design the healthy you want to see. So if you want to know more about meditation, I wrote a very excellent and easy to follow guide that I give for free. Just invite you to click on the link that you see appearing around this video for you to join or follow us on WhatsApp, and you ultimately see somewhere the link to download this free guide. My name is Dr. Robert, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next podcast. Bye.